Use a low gear. Geez, got no choice. God. Good idea, Sue. If you're going for a run, turn left off the shit. Don't turn right. Fuel station. It looks quite nice. You're not going to be walking into the town though. Chai Chang official beach entrance. Got to go up there. Gosh, we've made it to the official elephant beach. Gosh, she's still running. Steep. Reach Paradise Beach gate. You have to pay to go to the viewpoint. So don't run here if you think you're going to get in for nothing. If someone finds this, we've gone up this road. So where we're going now. Let's go downhill. About 10k, we do a bit of beach running. It's about 11k. There you go. Come around. No, there wasn't.